us learn something about the parts of speech. Every language has sentences. So each sentence has words, right? So these words will be categorized based on the parts of speech. That is, we have 8 types of parts of speech. That is, one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, the last one is interjection. Okay, I'll repeat the types of parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. That is, first one is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So these are the 8 types of parts of speech. So today let us learn the parts of speech one after the other. First we shall go to noun. So all of you are familiar with the word noun, right? So what is this noun? What is this noun? So noun is a name of a person, place, animal, things, right? So noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing. So let us take an example of a sentence. That is, say for example, Rama is eating a mango. Okay, so let us take an example of a sentence, that is, Rama is eating a mango. So here Rama is noun, right? And mango is also a noun. So in the definition of noun, I told you about the name of a place, thing, animal, and person. So noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing. So here in this sentence we have come across 2 things. That is, Rama is the name of a person and mango is the name of a thing. It is a fruit. Okay, and we should take one more example, that is place and animal. That is, tiger is present in Mysore Zoo. Okay, so tiger is the name of a animal. So Mysore is the name of a place. So this is how we will name the persons, place, animals or things. So that is how the noun is it clear now? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, right? So if you take an example of a sentence, that is, Rama is eating a mango. So Rama is a noun and mango is also a noun, and here tiger is also a noun and Mysore is also noun. That is the name of a place, animal, person and thing. So in this sentence, Rama is eating a mango. So Rama is the subject. So that is a doer of the sentence, and mango is the object. Here mango is a object which is a receiver in the sentence. So which is a receiver in the sentence. So noun can act as a subject as well as a object. So which is one and another one is a receiver. So is it clear, children? So tiger is present in Mysore Zoo. Here in this case, tiger is a subject and Mysore is a object. Okay, so this is how the noun can act as a subject as well as the object. So this is the doer and another one is a receiver. So and also if you take a singular and plural of the subject, we have different types of nouns also. That is, one is the 5 types of nouns are there. One is the proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun and material noun. So this is how the proper noun is the particular name which is given to a particular person. Here I told an example. If I come into this example only, Rama is the proper noun. So which is we will come to know which particular person is that, right? So from that we will come to know or we will identify that particular person. So for example, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. So Narendra Modi is the proper noun. So next is the common noun. So common noun is, say for example, school, boy, girl, class. We don't know particularly about which class it is or which animal it is or which class it is, right? So state, capital. So that is all. It will not be having particular names. Commonly we will identify a particular group of people with that common noun. Next is the abstract noun. I'm sorry, I forgot to write. It is a proper noun. Proper noun. Next is common noun, abstract noun and material noun and collective noun. So these are the 5 types of noun, that is proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. So proper noun, as I told, example of Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi is the name which is given to that person, that is a proper noun. And common noun is boy, girl, class, school. Will not be identifying the name of the school. Say for example, if I take Sri Maruti Vidya Mandir, it is proper noun. If I consider it as a school, then it will be a common noun. So next is abstract noun. Abstract noun, we can only feel the words which are coming in the abstract noun. We cannot touch or we cannot see. Say for example, brave, courage, happiness, sorrow. These are all coming under the abstract noun. Next is material noun. So any material, say for example, gold, silver, bench, a blackboard or a chalk. So these are all the material nouns. Next is collective noun. Together, collectively, we will add few nouns to this. That is, for example, a group of flowers, we'll call it as a bouquet, and a group of soldiers, we'll call it as army. So this is how the collective noun is considered. So is it clear, children, about the noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, right? And if I consider an example of a sentence, that is an example of a sentence, that is Rama is eating a mango. So Rama is a noun and mango is also noun. And I took one more example of tiger is present in Mysore Zoo. So tiger is also noun and Mysore is also noun. So Rama, which is a noun which acts as a subject, which is a doer, and mango is a noun which acts as an object and it is a receiver. So we have 5 types of nouns, that is proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. So in this, proper noun cannot be a plural. Okay, it can be only singular, and common noun can be a plural, and also collective nouns also can be a plural. So is it clear about noun? Next we shall move on to the pronoun. I hope children, all of you are thorough with this noun. So I am moving towards the next part of speech, that is the explanation also. So pronoun is used instead of noun. That is, noun will not be there in case of pronoun. That is he, she, it, they, them. So like that type of words we will use. And the only difference between the pronoun and the noun is we use articles. What are the articles? Articles are a and the are the articles. These articles we use before the noun. But in case of pronoun, we will not be using the articles. Say for example, so the, say here in this sentence only if I consider Rama is eating a mango. There is a article which we have used for the noun, and we will not be using for the pronoun. The difference between the noun and also for the pronoun. So here, if I want to change this same sentence to a pronoun, Rama is a boy. So I will use he. He is eating a mango. Instead of mango, we have to write it. It is a pronoun. So here the same sentence I have changed to pronoun, that is he is eating it. So I have written a, but I told you the rule that a article should not come in a proper nouns, before the proper nouns. That is why I erase this, or it will not be a sentence, proper sentence. So he is eating it. So here I have skipped a. So that is how the pronoun works. Is it clear, children? So here instead of Rama I have used e, and instead of mango I have used it. So the articles will not be used before the pronouns. The pronouns are the parts of speech wherein we use instead of noun. So that is he is eating it. Is it clear, children? And also in case of singular and plural also we will be using in pronoun. That is, if it is he, she, I, if it is I, we will I is in singular, we is plural form of pronoun. So he, she, they we will use like that. It goes on. So next is is it clear, children, about pronoun? Next part of speech is verb. So verb plays a very important role in the grammar. So we should be very much careful about identifying the verb and things what we have to learn about the verb. So verb is usually we have learned from our lower classes that verb is an action word. So yes, all the children know that verb is an action word, right, children? So still we need to know some more things about this verb. So verb is an action word, and also along with that it is describes or it denotes the state of being. State of being. And also possession. I'll give an example to make it clear for you. So first remember these words. Verb denotes an action word. Verb is a state of being, and verb is a possession. So here in this case, say for example I tell you I'm teaching. Teaching is a action word. Verb. Standing, eating, drinking, sitting, singing. Okay, all these are the action words. If I take an example of a sentence, that is, say, Sita is dancing. Okay, children, Sita is your noun. Okay, is also a verb that I will clarify it afterwards. So dancing is a main word. Dancing is a main verb. So that is the action word. Next is state of being. Say for example, Kiran is ill. Kiran Kiran is ill. If I take here, Kiran is noun, is a helping verb, which is also called as a main verb when there is a main action word or the main verb is not there. Then we can consider is itself as a main verb. Here in this case, it is acting as a helping verb and dancing is a main verb. Here in this case, main verb is not there. So we are taking is as an auxiliary verb, is as a main verb. So is ill. He is not feeling well. Ill is an adjective that later we will discuss about when we come to the next part of speech. So is a verb. So here this is telling about the state of being, which is also called as existence of the noun. Okay. So that is state of being or existence. Kiran is ill. Next is possession. He has a pen. He has a pen. So when I was discussing about the noun, I told you, so article will come before the noun, that is pen, a pen, right? So pen is a noun, has, he is having a pen or he has a pen. So that is the possession of that particular person. So verb can be considered as a action word, state of being, which shows an existence of that particular person, and possession. Is it clear? So if I take an example of these sentences, Sita is dancing, Kiran is ill, he has a pen. So has is a possession, is telling about the state of being, and dancing is the action word. So this is how we have to learn about the like in our next classes, let us learn something about, still we have so much to learn about the verbs. So we shall all learn about the forms of verbs and the remaining things on our next class. Okay children, so today's homework for you is, so take around 10 sentences and identify which is noun in that and which is pronoun in that, which is article in that, and also verb in that. Okay, any type of sentences you can take and try identifying the noun, pronoun, verb, which is an action word, which is acting as a state of being or a possession, that you have to identify. Okay children.